Here's one of my favorite super simple but super delicious green bean recipes. To make it, snip the ends away from a pound of green beans. Add 4 tablespoons of butter to a large skillet. Add the green beans and 2 cloves of garlic, crushed but not peeled. Add a 1/4 cup of water and salt and pepper to taste. Transfer the skillet to a stovetop. Place the skillet over medium-high heat, cover it, and bring to a simmer. 8 minutes later, the green beans will be done. Give them a stir. Then transfer to a serving dish. You can serve the beans just like this, but they're especially delicious with shaved Parmesan over top. If you wish, crack more black pepper over top. Enjoy!